Welcome to AI Unraveled, demystifying frequently asked questions on artificial intelligence, where we'll keep you up to date on the latest AI trends. In this episode, we'll explore the groundbreaking research, innovative applications, and emerging technologies that are pushing the boundaries of AI. Don't miss out on the latest in AI, so be sure to subscribe to stay updated on the latest ChatGPT and Google Bard trends. In today's episode, we'll cover Python libraries for AI, ML, and DL, Meta's AI image creation model, advancements in AI deployment, updates on AI models, ethical concerns surrounding human labor in developing AI, and recent developments in regulatory frameworks for AI, DreamGPT, plugin functionality, AI-powered podcast hosting, and a new book for machine learning. Hey there. Today we're going to talk about some of the best Python libraries out there for artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning. Python is considered to be one of the top programming languages for these fields, and we'll discuss a few reasons why. First of all, Python is free and open source. This means that its community is friendly, and due to its collaborative nature, Python is constantly improving. Python also comes with an exhaustive library, which ensures that there is a solution for every problem. This library covers a wide range of applications, making it quite versatile. Additionally, people with varying skill levels can easily implement and integrate Python into their projects. This ease of use makes Python accessible to many people. Using Python also increases productivity by reducing the time necessary for coding and debugging, which means more time for development. Moreover, Python is not only applicable for machine learning and AI, but also for soft computing and natural language processing. Lastly, Python works seamlessly with other programming languages such as C and C++ code modules, which is why it's widely used for machine learning and artificial intelligence. So, what are the best Python libraries for machine learning and AI? Our top picks include NumPy, SciPy, and TensorFlow. These libraries will help you to create and develop innovative applications in the fields of AI and machine learning. So that's all for today's episode. Remember to tune in next time for more exciting content. Hey there! Today we're talking about Meta's groundbreaking approach to AI image creation. It's called iJEPA, and it's designed to emulate human-like reasoning. Unlike other AI models that simply fill in gaps in images based on nearby pixels, iJEPA uses worldly knowledge to complete unfinished images more accurately. This revolutionary method aligns with the same human-like reasoning principles that are promoted by Meta's renowned AI scientist Yann LeCun. So why is this approach so important? Well, it can help prevent common mistakes in AI-generated images, like when hands are depicted with extra fingers. But that's not all. Meta's parent company, Facebook and Instagram, also firmly believe in the sharing of their research with the wider industry through their open-source AI philosophy. CEO Mark Zuckerberg believes that sharing their models can lead to exciting innovation, identify safety holes, and reduce expenses. Despite warnings from some in the industry about the potential risks of AI, Meta have remained unfazed. They recently rejected a statement supported by top executives from OpenAI, DeepMind, Microsoft, and Google, which compared the dangers of AI to pandemics and wars. Yann LeCun, who is one of the godfathers of AI, believes in building safety checks into AI systems rather than succumbing to pessimism. As for real-world applications, Meta has already begun incorporating generative AI features into its consumer products. For example, they've developed advertising tools that are capable of generating image backgrounds, as well as an Instagram tool that can adjust user photos based on text prompts. Bottom line, Meta's AI image model iJEPA has the potential to change the game and take AI-generated images to the next level. Thanks for listening. OctoML just launched a new product called Octo AI, a self-optimizing AI compute platform that aims to simplify machine learning deployment. It automates the process that a data scientist would go through to optimize their machine learning models, making it easier to deploy them into production systems. In other news, Amazon is using AI and machine learning to combat the problem of fake reviews. They detected and blocked over 200 million suspected fake reviews in 2022 alone. Amazon has also identified a group of fake review brokers who solicit fake reviews for profit and has taken legal action against them. They are calling for strong regulatory action to tackle this global problem and are committed to investing in proactive detection tools. Paul McCartney announced that he used AI to complete a final Beatles song featuring vocals from the late John Lennon. The technology was able to isolate Lennon's voice from an old demo tape, enabling them to revitalize and restore old recordings. The song is reportedly titled Now and Then and may be released later this year. While this marks a significant achievement in the application of AI in the music industry, it also raises important questions about ownership and ethics when it comes to creating new works involving iconic artists' voices. There's a lot of exciting news in the world of artificial intelligence lately. Meta, one of the companies formerly known as Facebook, has introduced a new model called iJepa that will enable AI systems to learn and reason like animals and humans. Meanwhile, Google is working on human attention modeling to enhance user experiences, such as image editing to minimize distractions and image compression for faster loading of web pages and apps. OpenAI has also announced some updates to its GPT-3, 5 Turbo and GPT-4 models, including new function calling capability and cost reductions. AMD, on the other hand, has introduced the Instinct MI300X, which is the world's most advanced accelerator for generative AI. Adobe's generative recolor feature for Illustrator will allow users to quickly experiment with colors using simple text prompts, while Hugging Face and AMD are collaborating to provide AI developers with high-performance models and greater accessibility. Finally, NVIDIA has developed the ATT 3D framework to simplify text-to-3D modeling, and French President Emmanuel Macron has met with AI experts from Meta and Google to discuss France's role in AI research and regulation. Additionally, Accenture has announced a significant investment in its data and AI practice to help clients across all industries advance and use AI more effectively to achieve greater growth, efficiency, and resilience. Have you ever stopped to consider the individuals responsible for creating the AI models that we use daily? While AI development relies heavily on human labor, ethical issues have arisen concerning exploitation and low wages. One method of creating models is through reinforcement learning from human feedback, which heavily relies on data annotators. These individuals evaluate if a text string sounds fluent and natural, ultimately influencing the response that remains in the AI model's database. Unfortunately, data annotators, often located in regions such as Ethiopia, Eritrea, and Kenya, are subject to grueling labor and limited compensation. As AI ethics become increasingly under scrutiny, issues such as low-wage data workers sifting through disturbing content to make AI models less toxic come to light. Moreover, universal data labor is another consideration. Virtually all internet users contribute to data creation, often unknowingly. While data annotators provide a vital function in AI development by aligning with the AI model creator's values, wages remain low. Thus, researchers suggest a data revolution and tighter regulation to correct the current power imbalance favoring big technology companies. Mechanisms that enable individuals to provide feedback and share revenues from the use of their data are other potential solutions. In conclusion, despite the essential role of data work in the creation of modern AI, it remains globally underappreciated. There is a definite need for reform, with better transparency about how data is used and individuals' compensation for their contribution to AI models. Hello, everyone. Today we will dive into some exciting news surrounding the development of artificial intelligence. The EU Parliament has taken a significant step by adopting the world's first regulatory framework for AI. This regulatory framework is called the EU AI Act, and after 3 years of negotiations, it has finally entered the home stretch, with the goal of finalizing the text by the end of the year. It's a groundbreaking initiative in securing transparency, accountability, and reliability with artificial intelligence. Now let's shift our focus to a project called DreamGPT, which turns a weakness of large language models into a strength. Typically, large language models face criticism for generating outputs that aren't grounded in reality, making things up, or even creating a misleading perspective. DreamGPT, an open-source project, aims to change that by making this phenomenon a feature rather than a bug. It does this by producing unusual but particularly creative results by making hallucinations of LLMs a feature. Instead of solving specific problems, DreamGPT is designed to explore as many options as possible, generating new ways of thinking and driving them forward in a self-reinforcing process. It's a fascinating project, achieving tremendous progress in the AI world. Another exciting update is the massive release of GPT 3.5 and GPT-4 APIs, which comes with the capability of using hyper-realistic AI voices as your podcast host. It also brings the latest feature of being able to use function calls. You can now give the API a list of functions, and it will invoke them. The response you receive from the assistant can either be a direct response or a function call. Execute that specific function, give back the results into another call GPT. You can use the final result as a natural language response to generate a highly convincing conversation. AWS also offers great machine learning resources like the AWS Certified Machine Learning Specialty, MLSC01, practice exams, which includes 3 practice exams, data engineering, exploratory data analysis, modeling, and more, designed to help enthusiasts learn and master this highly sought-after skill. That's it for today. If you're keen on expanding your understanding of artificial intelligence, you might want to check out the book AI Unraveled: Demystifying Frequently Asked Questions on Artificial Intelligence. It's an engaging read that answers all your burning questions about AI and provides valuable insights into this captivating world. It's available on Amazon now, so hurry up and get your hands on a copy. Thanks for listening, and see you next time. Today's episode covered Python's best AI, ML, and DL libraries, Meta's use of generative AI in image creation, companies simplifying AI deployment and enhancing product features, updates from big players like Adobe, NVIDIA, and OpenAI, ethical concerns around the treatment of human labor in AI development, and recent industry developments such as the EU's new regulatory framework for AI. Thanks for listening to today's episode. I'll see you guys at the next one, and don't forget to subscribe.